today the session is like, this is like, most of the time business, this is the one of the business scenario in order management. So sorry, today I am taking one of the session for order management because of somebody has asked. So good morning guys. So today we are talking about buy one get one free. So how are you going to set up this buy one get one free in the order management? It means that, let's say you go to malls. So for Diwali offer, maybe if you purchase something, they will give one as free. So like that, how are you going to set up the things in the order management? Okay. So in order to achieve this, just give me, I'll give a bit of background. So in the order management, what is required? So we have to have customers, we have to have pricing strategy segments, and then the BU configuration has to be present. So these are all prerequisites has to be present in our system. Okay. For getting this particular feature, so what needs to be done is, so there are several steps we have to follow. First, we have to know, we have to know for which item you wanted to make buy one get one. Okay. So the second step, first you found that this is the item. So next one is derive item ID from report and analytics. Okay. So we need to derive the item ID by writing query in the report analytics. We have a report analytics that is for using for what you call BI reports, right? BI reports and writing the SQL query to extract the data. Okay. From that, we are going to get the item ID. Pull the item ID. Next, write down the product transformation rule. Product transformation rule for your item. Next, release the product transformation rule. Create order so that moment once you save the order, system automatically insert new row as same item, price as 0. Okay. So these are the steps you have to follow. First, you have to know for which item you are going to create this particular buy one get one, and then derive the item ID, and then write down the product transformation rules. After that, release the transformation rule, then go ahead and create the order so that system will pull the item, whatever item you are expecting as a free. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go one by one. So I connected to Vision today, Vision application. So used to do same thing, right? Because my whole instance is not working. I connected to a different instance. So there's a Vision instance. So first we have to go to, so I'm using directly SCM_Ampere. It means that it's having all the roles and all the access. Okay. Now, first we'll go to report analytics. Report and analytics. Browse the catalog. What I am doing first, I took one of the item. This is the item, and for this item, I wanted to check what is my ID, item ID. Okay. Yeah. So here, go to create, under the create, go to data model. Click on that. So here SQL query, just give some name, buy one, get one. And then what is your data source for SCM is, this is the thing, DB underscore FSC. See, this particular dashboard or this particular tool, report analytics, will be used for deriving or creating custom, what do you call, custom reports you can derive, standard reports you can derive, or if you want to extract the data from database, from the Oracle database. So this is a place where you can write the queries and you can pull the data. Okay. So now for pulling the item ID, so what is the code we have to use? Okay. Let me go here. This is the query. Select star from, let me copy that. Select star from Fusion EGP. So this is like from where you will get, means you have to go to docs.oracle.com, from their tables. A lot of R&D you have to do, but just you have to know this query. Once you know the query, just where item code. Item code is whatever item we are using. Even I am also not having full-fledged idea on coding, but some of the things yes, we can understand. But it is easy. Just this is the one I will paste in the YouTube. Just copy that, put your item code so that you will get the, sorry, put the item code so that you will get item ID. Click on OK. Go to data. Click on view. Click on table view. So this is the item ID. So for item ID, why this many rows are present is because this item is associated with number of inventory arcs. Okay. So that is the reason system will be repeating this rows. Now I found item ID. So let me store. Let me store. This is the one only. Okay. Now I got item ID. So what is the next step? Go to product transformation. Product transformation rule. Okay. So close this one. Leave this. Click on home icon. Go to setup and maintenance. So there are multiple ways to what you call, go to that task name. Why here, man? What happened? It's not coming. Dig. I don't know. It's not coming anything. Okay, fine. So we'll go. I'll go to global task. Manage product transformation. Are you getting, man?
Yes, I'm getting.
So this is the page where you have to write the code. Okay. Now, let me delete this code. We already have written. See, select that, delete. Now, how to see here? Here also place. Here also place. There are a lot of confuse. So which place we have to use is, we have to use this place. Okay. Click on this. Click on generate rule, not a decision table, generate rule. Okay. Now rule one system has brought by default. So you have to change the name, means go to properties, put the name, whatever you name you want, buy one, get one. Because there are a lot of rules will be there to differentiate your rule from other rules, you have to give properly. And priority, medium, active, these and all, not sure what is the use, but till now these things I know: name, description, priority, active. Fine. So click on OK. Now here what we have to write a if condition and then condition. Simple. If so and so condition, so system has to do this particular action. So now if condition, what need to be inserted is we have to insert two things. First is this is the one. So first click on plus. So we have to take simple text. Okay. So what is the first condition? This is the first condition. Order transformation rule fulfillment line vivo dot inventory ID. So whenever this particular condition is my ID, means whatever ID which I am taking. So whenever this is equal to this, okay, and then so we have to add one more condition. So one more condition means and. Here I am taking and condition. If item ID equal to this and one more condition, then system has to do some action. Okay. So click on simple text so that system will append it and here. Now what is the next condition? Next condition is the condition order quantity. Order quantity, view order quantity. Here it is same or more than, means buy one get one. If you want, you can give one. If it is buy two get one, you have to give two here. So like that, you can decide what value we need to keep there. Okay. Now I'm keeping two, means buy two, they're going to get the one as a free. Now we need to add condition. I mean, this is the result. Asset new. So how to write this? So here, then asset new. This is the one. Means we are telling to the system asset new means asset and line. Asset line means add a line in the where in the order management, add a line with my same ID. That is the then condition. Okay. So add a new line, select this row, asset new, so that here it will enable these properties. Click on this. You have to give new item ID. What is your item ID? Same ID, right? Because this is the one only we are expecting buy one, buy two, get one. Put it this. And what is ViewRowImpl is, so this is the one. So you can't ask like why you are putting same. That is even I'm also not sure, but these are the things various. I mean, these are the options to achieve our things. Okay, this is the way to create your product transformation tool. So what I have done, I have taken my ID from report analytics. If this condition, if my ID equal to this and quantity is greater than 2 or same or more than 2, then I'm telling to the system, please insert a new row with this item. Okay, so this is the one. Save. So after saving this, release this particular rule. So the rule was released to production. Just save and close. Now we need to test it, right? So we have to go to order management. Order management. Create your order. So my BU is ES1 BU. Customer is Pinnacle. Okay. Pinnacle. Okay. Technologies. Fine. So order types, see, these are all not required at present because we are not processing complete flow, right? Just where we want to check whether system will be inserting new item, new row with my item with zero price. That is the ultimate scenario of this. So what we have to do, we have to take this item, particular item, select it. Okay, so how much you have to go? Same or more than. So if it gives 2, also it will insert new row. If you give more 3 also, it will insert. Let me give 2, click on add. So when it will insert, once you click on submit, click on product transformation rules, always trigger product and post transformation rules will trigger on submission of the order.
Okay.
Okay, that's all we have to do. Just let me check what is the price. 1300. This is the price for actual. So once you submit it, we have to see one more row has to be insert. So 97401. See, this is the first one. Second one, see, added automatically. Okay. So buy 2, get 1, right? Okay. We have to give their 2, buy 2, get 2. Okay. I think there we have to give only 1.
Buy to get.
Buy 2, get 2, it has came.
Okay.
See here the line will be added. So the price will be 0. So once you are shipping, this one doesn't require any shipment of detail, shipment of information. Order will proceed for further downstream application. So
But
this is
it's supposed to be one, right? Not
uh,
two. It's supposed to be one, right?
supposed
That
to be
free
1.
item. Okay.
But let me check, like we have given that same or more than quantity 2, right? Okay. If
Okay.
you keep 1 there, it will come. Let me check that.
Okay.
You have to go to transformation rule again. SAP. Setup and maintenance. Global search. Manage. Transformation. Select your thing. Okay. Is there any edit option? Oh, super. This keep it as 1. Okay. Let us try release again.
Release.
And close. Go here. Create new. Create order. Yes, kill. Yes. Yes. This. I think no matter of this quantity, I guess. Okay, we'll keep one. Let's see. Submit. Correct.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the way to achieve buy one get one. So it's pretty difficult, bit difficult, but If you follow the steps, it will be easy. Once you know the ID and those kind of whatever coding I have pasted in the transformation rule, those things won't change. Those will be always same.
These queries we have to write on our own, or else it will be seeded in somewhere.
No, we have to write our own, but these things we extracted from some senior people.
Okay.
Okay. So these are all like a step-by-step process, man. We can't get it in overnight. But even if you ask me, like in order to present this one to you, I also did some kind of analysis, like workflow. I tested. So let's see whether from my side whether it is working or not. If you do
Okay.
like 1 or 2 times, then things will be registered in our mind. That is the way.
Okay. Okay.
So we will stop this session and we'll continue for further, Ramna.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.